The workout app records all your workouts, including indoor and outdoor workouts, swimming, hiking, cardio, wheelchair workouts, and more. You need to have the workout app installed on your Apple Watch. Press the digital crown and find the app on the home screen. If it's not showing, download it directly from the App Store on your Apple Watch. You can't download it from your iPhone. When you open the app, select your workout type. To change the information displayed during a workout on your Apple Watch screen, adjust the workout metrics. Different metrics can display details such as active calories, heart rate, pace, splits, and distance. Enable the toggle for the metrics you want to use. In another setting, you can enable goals and targets and set goals for distance, time, and calories. You can also customize your notification preferences to receive different alerts for heart rate, splits, and target goals. These settings are optional, but you can configure them before starting your workout for a more personalized experience. Go back and use the digital crown to choose a workout type. Then, tap the Start button to begin your workout. Wait for the 3-second countdown, and your Apple Watch will start displaying your workout details. To pause or end a workout at any time, swipe from left to right to see the workout control options on your Apple Watch. If workout tracking isn't working, check that fitness tracking is enabled. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and go to the My Watch tab. Scroll down and tap Privacy. Then, enable the fitness tracking toggle. That's it. You're all set. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more video updates.